Oh man, what's up everybody? Not only am I welding with the TransTig 210, but I'm setting Corey's grass on fire. So we gotta make sure we add some water to this. But what we're trying to demonstrate is how you can run the new TransTig 170 or 210 off long extension cords. And honestly, you can run up to about 300 feet collectively together. We suggest 10 gauge or 12 gauge extension cords. Now, the TransTig 210 or 170 has built-in PFC, adjustable PFC. What that stands for is power factor correction. So when you're running long extension cords, what ends up happening is your voltage and your amperage separate, causing it to trip breakers. But what the Fronius machine does is it aligns them so you can run up to 330 feet without tripping outlets. So if you're doing anything with portable or have any customers doing any portable work, like running it off of engine drives or hard to reach 110 outlets, you know, you should check out the TransTig 170 or 210 for easy portability. Now that we got done burning all of Corey's grass, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a few settings in the TransTig series on how to adjust some of the stick settings. So come on in here, Corey. Now, if you're looking at the faceplate on the TransTig, you have a bottom right hand up cursor. Here you change between TIG or stick. You'll notice in the top left hand corner, CEL. What does that stand for? It stands for cellulose. What is cellulose? Well, it's 6010 or 6011 rods. So if you are running any of those rods, you want to make sure you're in cellulose mode. So to turn it on or to turn it off, what you do is you push this bottom right hand up arrow and then the gas purge. Here you can see CEL, but this is a background menu where you can adjust hot starts and a variety of things. But here you see CEL, push the button in, turn it off, and now you can see CEL is eliminated. Now, let's say you do have CEL or cellulose turned on. You still can weld 7018s or stainless rods. It's just a special setting specifically for cellulose rods or 6010. So just make sure if you are running those, turn on cell, and that's it. Just a quick tip. Thanks for watching.